In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review Descript's features, pros, cons, and pricing plans. We'll begin by opening Google Chrome and heading to Descript.com. Once you arrive on the website, take a moment to look around the homepage and get a feel for what the platform is offering. This step is important because the site itself usually gives you a clear overview of the product's main tools, intended users, and overall workflow. As you browse, pay attention to the way Descript presents itself as an all-in-one editing platform for audio and video content. Next, focus on evaluating the main advantages of the platform. One of Descript's standout features is text-based video editing. This means you can edit your content by editing the transcript, which can feel much more intuitive than working directly on a traditional timeline, especially for beginners or anyone creating spoken word content. Another major benefit is automatic transcription, which can save a lot of time if you regularly work with interviews, podcasts, tutorials, or voice recordings. Instead of manually typing out dialogue, the platform generates it for you. You should also look at AI voice cloning as one of the notable features. This can be helpful in situations where you need to correct or replace a word or short phrase without recording the entire section again. Along with that, Descript is well known for making filler word removal simple and efficient. If your recordings include repeated words like or unnecessary pauses, this feature can help clean them up quickly and make your final result sound more polished. After reviewing the strengths, it's equally important to consider the drawbacks. Descript's web-based usage depends on a stable internet connection, so performance may be affected if your connection is slow or inconsistent. That's something to keep in mind if you often work while traveling or in places with unreliable service. Also, while the platform is designed to be user-friendly in many areas, advanced audio multi-tracking can come with a learning curve. So if you plan to do more detailed or professional level audio work, you may need extra time to get comfortable with those tools. Finally, compare the available plans. The free tier includes 1 hour of transcription, which is useful for testing the platform before committing to a subscription. Paid plans typically expand what you can do by offering higher export resolution and more extensive AI features, including fewer limits on advanced tools. As you compare options, think about how often you'll use the software and which features actually matter for your workflow. That's how to review Descript clearly and efficiently so you can decide whether it's the right fit for your editing needs.